Hi, aeriskitchen 친구분들. Do you wonder what size Korean kids love to eat? These 잔멸치볶음, 김자반볶음, and 맛살전 are good choices for them. They are so delicious that I want to share the recipes with you today. First, let's make this tiny anchovy side dish called 잔멸치볶음 in Korean. I already posted a similar adult version of this recipe, so you can check it out too. Prepare the dried tiny anchovies, 잔멸치. This can be a good source of calcium for your kids' bones. In a pan, add the dried anchovies and fry for about 6 minutes on medium. This step helps to get rid of the strong fish smell of the anchovies a little. Meanwhile, mix the soy sauce, 간장, water, 물, cooking oil, 식용유, sugar, 설탕, and minced garlic, 다진 마늘 in a bowl. After 6 minutes, when the anchovies become lightly golden brown and dry, they are done. Pour the sauce over the anchovies and fry them for 4 minutes on medium. When they are done, sprinkle the sesame seed, 깨, on top. Stir again and turn off the heat. For the next side, we will make crab stick and veggie fritters called 맛살전 in Korean. It is so simple to make, yet super delicious. Depending on what you have or what you like, you can substitute, add, or delete some of the vegetables. For myself, I'd love to add hot pepper in it, but for our boys, today I will use green onions instead. Chop the onion, 양파, the carrot, 당근, the green onion, 파, the hot pepper, 고추, and the Korean crab sticks, 맛살 into little pieces. Add the chopped vegetables into a mixing bowl and break the eggs, 달걀, over them. Then we will add 6 tablespoons of flour. Here I used 3 different kinds of flour for better flavor and texture in this recipe. So they are 2 tablespoons each of all-purpose flour, 밀가루, Korean pancake mix, 부침가루, and Korean frying mix, 튀김가루. If you have these, you can use them, but if you don't, it is totally fine to use just 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour instead. Add the salt, 소금, and mix everything together. Now it is ready to fry. When you scoop the batter, it should not run off the spoon like this. In an oiled preheated pan, put a spoonful of batter and form it into a circle. Generous amount of oil will give it better flavor. Now fry them on medium, and when the bottom of the fritters become golden brown, flip it over. Then when the other side becomes golden brown, it is done. For the last side, I want to share one of my favorite childhood sides called 김자반볶음. Are you familiar with this Korean seasoned and roasted dried Laver snack? It is a very popular side for Korean kids. So instead of buying a pre-made one, you can cook it healthy and tasty at home in few minutes. Our boys love it when I mix it with some rice, dried anchovy side, sesame oil, sesame seed, and then make rice balls for them like this. So try someday for your children or yourself too. We need this particular type of dried Laver called 김자반. You can easily break it into little pieces like this with your hands. Put the dried Laver pieces in a wide-bottomed pan or a wok. Then add the cooking oil and mix the dried Laver with the oil. This way you can get evenly crispy 김자반볶음 later. Fry for about 5 minutes on medium. At first you will see its color is black like this. Occasionally stir it, and after 5 minutes it will start to get a little greenish color to it. Now season it with the salt, sugar, and sesame seed. Fry 2 more minutes on medium. Be careful not to overcook or burn the dried seaweed because it should be cooked enough to get a good flavor, but it can be easily start to burn at some point. When you want to prepare a quick meal or lunchbox for your kids, all these 3 sides can be a great option for you.
안녕하세요. 오늘은 이거를 먹을 거예요. 그리고 김치랑 같이 먹을 거예요. 이거는 전이고 멸치밥 그리고 밥 그리고 김 그리고 밥. 맛있다.
Eat delicious Korean food this coming week and share your story with me on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.